Hello, lucky viewers. My name is Justin Hogan, and today we are going to rekey a lock. This was on a door. The person was rekeying it. It's called a smart lock. Has a little hole right there. They were rekeying it to change out the keys. So first, we need to remove the keeper. And you remove the keeper, which sits right here. It's the further back ring. Boom. Save that because you need it later. Lock slips out. Take your lock, you turn it until it gets this point. So it looks like this sometimes. You turn it until it makes that click. The lock should slide all the way in and flush. Then you turn until you get all the way to the other side. Get your little piece here, and you push it in. You might hear a click, you might not. There it goes. Pull out lock. You get your keys. Or get the key that you want to key it to. I'm going with this one here. Get it in, turn it, kind of pull a little bit. Oop, that went quick. Once it comes out, it is now keyed to this, this lock is now keyed to this key. See? Easy in, easy out. Take said lock, put it back in here. You can't mess it up because it only goes in one way. Let's see if it will go in the other way. See? Won't go in. Base only goes in one way. Take your keeper. Slide that back on. Slide this in. And now this lock is ready for the key that you just did. You could also, if you don't mess up, generally you're supposed to be able to take this, push it in, put the key, and then kit to the key that you want to go with. So this lock is now keyed to that key. And that's how you do that. Put it back all together. Use it on my next one.